She's being one with the tree. The birdies haven't found her yet.
He's coming through. Yay! I'll sit closer. You'd like that. Mama, glam feeding. Glam thing. Glam thing. Nutchatch. You don't deserve food, you little mister.
Get off of my head. That's hilarious.
Yay!
Yeah.
Over here, Red Billy. Oh my god, she has one. Oh my god.
What do you think, Ruby?
I don't have sleep, but you can land on me. If you get that red belly, then I don't.
What were you saying?
That's so cool. I thought that was a leaf. I'm bringing the birds with us. Hey! Just kidding. Ugh, I need a nutchatch. What are you?
Titmouse.
Titmouse.
I just realized it's very
Put
hard
your
to get up
thumb
and
down.
pull through. No! Oh, God. They're angry. Oh my god, he's angry. Baby! Okay, we had him hide.
Why?
Because they look our age. At least one of them. Wait, no. No, they don't. No, they don't.
She looks like Lawrence of Arabia.
Huh? Are you gonna go find my seed over there?